If you fix and flip real estate, one of the biggest things that you want to do is have a large kitchen or make it look as large as possible. Now we're standing in a raised ranch that one of our investors is renovating, and we had a very, very small kitchen. And one way to enhance the kitchen or make it look larger is by incorporating one of these counter height islands that is where the normal table space would be, where you would have a table and chairs. So what we did is we did the same kitchen cabinets that we have in the kitchen down here as the base, and we put in the same countertops that we have in the kitchen. And what it essentially does is it takes that two separated little areas and combines it into one big kitchen. And this is so cool because in this case here, you can fit around, on this particular island, you can fit around 6 people or 6 chairs or stools around this particular island. And some other cases that we have to do a little bit of a smaller island and we're able to get 4 chairs around it. So instead of doing like a table that would normally be here, or when we're showing it and it's vacant, this would be where it would just be vacant space at that point. Now what we've done is we've got a countertop that flows into the rest of the kitchen, and it just makes the kitchen look larger. And this is the centerpiece of the house. So we want to focus our energy, our dollars on the area that is the most important area of the home. And this is a simple way to expand the size of a kitchen without spending a ton of money to do it. It's a little bit, a few more cabinets, a little bit more quartz countertops, but it doesn't break the bank, and it really gets you a lot of bang for the buck. So I encourage investors, if you're fixing and flipping, look at these table counter height islands and start incorporating those into your rehabs.